Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to have a look at short sentences in English and its translation in Hindi, Tamil, Telugu and Kannada. Learn to speak 5 languages in one channel. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. If you like this video, hit a like and share with your friends and family members. Kindly turn on all notifications to get updated for my upcoming videos. So without making any further delay, let's get started. What to do? Now let's learn to say this in Hindi. क्या करूं? क्या करूं? Now let's move on to Tamil. என்ன செய்ய, or you can also say as என்ன செய்வது. In Telugu, ఏమి చెయ్యాలి, ఏమి చెయ్యాలి. Next, in Kannada, ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು, ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು. So let's move on to the next one, which is number 2. Don't peep. Don't peep. Now let's learn to say this in Hindi. Jhanko mat. Let's learn to say this in Tamil. Yetti parkade. I repeat. Yetti parkade. Now let's move on to Kannada. Inuki nodabeda or kaddu nodabeda. So you can say in any of these ways. Now let's learn to say this in Telugu. Tongi chudaddu. I repeat. Tongi chudaddu. Now let's switch on to number 3. God saved us. Now let's learn its translation in Hindi. भगवान ने हमें बचा लिया और भगवान ने हमें बचाया. Next in Tamil, கடவுள் நம்மள காப்பாற்றினார். கடவுள் நம்மள కాపాற்றிనార్. In Telugu, దేవుడు మనలను రక్షించాడు. And in Kannada, ದೇವರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡಿದನು. Let's move on to 4th one. Mosquitoes are biting me. Now let's learn its translation in Hindi. मच्छर मुझे काट रहे हैं. मच्छर मुझे काट रहे हैं. Next in Tamil, கொசுக்கள் என்னை கடிக்கின்றன or கொசு என்னை கடிக்குது. Let's move on to Telugu. దోమలు నన్ను కుడుతున్నాయి. Now let's learn to say this in Kannada. ಸೊಳ್ಳೆಗಳು, ಸೊಳ್ಳೆ means mosquito, ಸೊಳ್ಳೆಗಳು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕಚ್ಚುತ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Let's move on to number 5. What will people say? Now let's learn its translation in Hindi. लोग क्या कहेंगे? लोग क्या कहेंगे? In Tamil, மக்கள் என்ன சொல்வார்கள் or ஜனங்க என்ன சொல்வார்கள். So you can say in any of these ways. Let's move on to Telugu. జనము ఏమి చెప్తారు or జనాలు ఏమి చెప్తారు. నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్ కన్నడ, ಜನರು ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಜನರು is nothing but people. ಜನರು ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾರೆ. Let's move on to number 6. Don't be late. Now let's learn its translation in Hindi. देर मत करो. देर मत करो. Now in Tamil, தாமதிக்க வேண்டாம். I repeat, தாமதிக்க வேண்டாம். Now let's learn to say this in Telugu. ఆలస్యం చేయవద్దు. I repeat to say, ఆలస్యం చేయవద్దు. Next in Kannada, ತಡ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ. ತಡ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ, which means don't be late. So how was today's video? Was it interesting or informative? Please do comment me. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. If you like this video, hit a like and share with your friends and family members. Kindly turn on all notifications to get updated for my upcoming videos. Watch my channel's many other videos which are available in my channel playlist. Stay connected to explore the journey of multiple language learning. So that's all for today. Let's catch up with next wonderful video with another fascinating topic. Till then, it's your channel host signing off. Bye-bye and thanks for watching. See you all again in the next video.